Hello guys! Welcome back sa Japan Diaries with Hazel. Day 2 natin dito sa Tokyo. At grabe, this day is all about connections, meetups, at friendship. So today, nag-start kami with a very special lunch meet-up with my client na naging friend ko na rin kasi gusto rin nilang makita si Carlo. So, chance na rin na nandito ako sa Tokyo. So, nag-usap kami na mag-meet up. We ate at Racino Restaurant in Azabuday. Super cozy, super sarap, and more importantly, super saya ng kwentuhan.
Palit naman ka dili, mulabas man na. Masaag mi sa among ka-meeting. Saag-saag is life. Ole, yeah, I know. Diba, kung naata siya. So, dahil ka ng mga nawala pa.
There's a Starbucks here in Ponggi, pero murag na Ponggi na dyan siya.
Kung ginasilingan na, uy. Sosyalan ka diri. As in, wala may. Among comment is sa kuan sa, may nagkasinabot sa mail. Akong pasabot is sa restaurant namin magkita. Nauna na diri. Wala siya.
Ayan, fun fact tayo. Ang Azabuday Hills is part of one of Tokyo's newest and most modern developments. Halo siya ng luxury nature and city vibes in one place. Parang mini city within the city. And yung Racini naman is known for its fresh, high-quality ingredients na parang farm-to-table concept. Kaya talagang ramdam mo yung freshness sa bawat bite. Hindi lang masarap, aesthetic pa. Yung place, perfect for chill meetups like this. After that, my lovely couple clients toured us around Roppongi, and honestly, parang local tour guide vibes sila. Then we had an elegant afternoon tea sa isang famous tea house inside Kikuchi Kanjutsu Memorial Tomo Museum. Ang ganda ng place, grabe! Very peaceful, very Japan. Yung dining experience inside Kikuchi Kanjutsu Memorial Tomo Museum is inspired by traditional Japanese tea culture. Simple but meaningful. From the tea set to the quiet atmosphere, everything is designed to help you slow down and be present. Kahit yung cup nila and plates are carefully chosen, minsan handmade pa, kaya bawat detalye may sariling charm. Kaya habang nagtiti ka, it felt calm, elegant, and super relaxing. Parang escape from busy Tokyo life. At mapapansin niyo rin, napaka-minimalistic ang setup. Hindi siya overload sa design. That's because, in Japanese culture, they value simplicity and balance, leaving you focused on the moment itself. Plus, the quiet atmosphere isn't awkward. It's actually part of the experience. It encourages mindfulness, parang mini escape from the fast-paced Tokyo life. Kaya habang nag-afternoon tea kami, hindi lang siya basta chill. It felt like we were part of a cultural experience na calming, elegant, at super memorable.
な
説明してくれ
よ。
る一応ね指定してるけど、東京ドームシティまですいません。あ、お任せです。
OMG na ni
At dahil nalaman nilang mahilig si Carlo sa anime, our next stop, Tokyo Dome. Dinala kami nila dito. Ayan, para maikot ni Carlo ang isang famous anime merch shop na meron dito. Para sa mga anime lovers dyan, warning, delikado dito ang wallet nyo. Pero real talk, aside sa lahat ng pinuntahan namin, ang pinaka nag-stand out talaga is yung time na binigay nila sa amin. Hindi ko in-expect o namin na ganun sila ka-generous sa oras. As in whole day kami kasama. Super thankful talaga sa kanila. And for my brother, imagine first few days niya pa lang sa Japan. Ganito na agad ang na-experience niya. Bongga ha! Parang sinabi ng Japan, welcome ito sa mga mababait na tao. Charot!
Tokyo Dome.
あとはもうあっという間に移動してメイドカフェ行くぐらいですかね。
Po ito ko ne po na.
So, bitin na naman si Mawa. Ikot si Mau. Lagi-lagi na lang. Muban ba yun to siya? Ning kalit lagi. Di na lang kumami, oy. Mas
Kaya mo magsasantara yung kasi.
pagdali nagtuon og ginapon sina. Dinner ni Sheena. To end the day, nag-dinner naman kami with Kota, another client turned friend na isang Pilipino. And guys, may pa-main character moment siya. Alam niyo bang magiging artista na siya dito sa Japan? He's about to be a cast in a Japanese movie. As in, kami yung unang fans sa table. Sobrang proud.
Artista na yun siya. Yereshko. Ano siya? Afresh sa Japanese movie.
So ayun guys, today was all about friendship, connections, at pagiging social for one day. So ayun guys, at the end of the day, hindi lang talaga siya about the places we visited. It's about the people we met along the way. From clients to friends, every moment felt genuine and unforgettable. This day reminded me na kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, connection and kindness will always make you feel at home. Kaya kung umabot ka hanggang dulo sa vlog na to, ikaw na ang MVP ng channel ko. O diba bongga? Don't forget to like, subscribe, at hit the bell. Kasi kung hindi, mapapanaginipan mo ako mamaya. Charot! See you on my next vlog mga ka-diaries. Bye! God bless everyone!